Jpac. We are belly face. That. Ode like you could tetulume. Ode like you could tetulume. And they want to come again with your propaganda and lies. And then when I greet you guys, please share this video. Jpac. Ode like you could tetulume. And they want to come and deceive people again. Jpac. We are belly face. Governor Nyochi, ex-convict, E.T. Wait though, ex-convict. Did I hear that one set of Itibori boss, one jobless Itibori boss like you, but again I'm sorry, because Imeruola mheke ni menemu nje bugi. Imakwana enwere opportunity ibu kan eburu omi ya awuroge. Gini kam ga eburu gi for? Muna gi who is dealing with each other? You and I, who is dealing with each other? I am asking you. Nje bugi. Gini ki na eme nje bugi. The only thing is that if I take a con, which I know that Aku is capable. All I was doing and all I'm still doing, come kill your people that ain't to a shame. So now, when I go, you got chibugi, or give a gachibum come gachibugi. HM Megara school. I thought you got a school, Madubagi here, you ask for evidence. And you go to the camp of my enemy that will never speak anything good about me. And you believe in any jackals that comes out of their mouths. And you said you are white. I have had it. I have had it from here. I have had... Fuck you. In Togare home important. There is no need of wasting it. And when all you wanna chondega batragi sag on my behalf, on your behalf. It's body bomb that looking for one thing to say or another. You believe it. Anyway, you believe and so what would you do about it? Okay, now I don't claim say me talk. Now, what are you going to do about it? Again. I thought you guys say you guys are writing petition in Chicago. Petition I thought to Jpac. He's looking for my address. Come on, God, Jomo. Mwari very open to give. Ye gentleman, more bash. And we him get meli. More bash that him tear that this blew up. And we have get meli. Why can't you? I thought you are matured enough to go and ask for evidence. But because of Irila too clouded with Ogechi, you will not ask a proper question. Iwiti. Eskon iwiti. Imbali ife. Ichanan one day just Omasha wonder. Unune. Omasha webola a celebrity that I had up go hotel and near 100,000. Or 20,000, 30,000. Ichanan Omasha wana aputahana queen. Eh? I can see if I'm talking about you like I'm not about to show. May she picture. If he show for you, say na me you they refer to. Show my picture. Don't you know that I have a lot of enemies that can come and support you when I will start to deal with you? That's what you need to do. Be proud, be woman enough to come out. Say na me you they refer to. Simple. Because all these people now, me and them don't get beef. They don't saga me, I don't saga them. But I've never spoken to you before. And you don't want it. You can see my ignore button. You don't want it. You are just a person I talk. But if you say you sure for me, sure for you, and you get wings, you can fly more than your people. I will not give you the fame you're looking for here. I won't. I'm a drag ya, so call your remaining poverty life away. If you say you sure for you, carry my picture, say Ogechi, I am talking to, because my name is not Ogechi Burere. My name is not Ogechi Chicago. My name, I'm not the only one that is Ogechi that lives in Chicago. I'm not the type one people that lives in Chicago. Ogechi Okeke had 1 billion. They reach 1 billion. I know born imbecile. I know get child for imbecile. My name will not be Ogechi Chicago. I am not all those rubbish that you know, just to remain relevant. If you know it's sure for you, say you be woman enough. Those women in there, and those call chief. What do you say? Na me. Show my picture. Say na me, you educate everything where they talk, say na me. You want to go? Show them, say, Ogechi, I am referring to you. Let me even. You want to go? If he show for you, try me. Oh, just my nothing. Try me. A question here. He will my camera. Show my picture so I will know who you are referring to. And I'm a Tom Madojo. I'm begging for me to all gojo. And if I strike your page, may I never live to enjoy anything I have worked so hard for. I will not strike your page. That's why I'm shaking Tom and saying, I mean, you where you talk to. Because without it, I don't know who you're referring to. Am I mad? I'm going to need a figure to. You're mad around some because. Your noise is too much. Your noise is too much. There are many ways to kill a rat. There are many ways to kill a rat, which is, I know that you are very easy to apprehend. But if it's all for you, repeat what I'm saying, I'm where you talk to. No cap. I'm gonna get my good wine and them what I go. You go on that uncompleted child at the moment. I get not every day. You go video ram. That uncompleted building make a sure get come on. I am also the cheapest thing any go with it. Voila. You go there, go video. And also you go to my maternal home. We go home down and all. I'm not from a poor family. Both my mama and my papa, we are okay. We must not be the richest, but we are okay. We are contented. If we show for you, try come. Which have a connection on for give it. When I get talk upon your wine and wine, you be now woman to woman. But if you cannot do it, that would you are not capable. We can deal with you in a different way. You're not capable. You want to go? You're not capable. I should want to be him. You have to do it too. If you are put out, it's not nigga school. Anyway, one more can I go? My money now. And to get on the followers and is the what people I'm referring this master to. You want to go? I promise you, give her promise you can. They no promise you pass within the promise can. I'm just giving you an advice. They no promise you, I got your back. I will be there for you. Don't worry, nothing they happen. What I go? If it's sure for you, because I've never talked to you before, and when more time, okay? I don't notice you. You don't want it. And when here like no one maybe nothing in the life. I don't notice you. But you've been ranting for years and people keep calling me and say, it's not me. It's not me you're referring to. So I just want to make it clear today for you to understand. Say, there are many ways to deal with somebody like you. So if you don't do it, that means you can't cap. You are just I shall watch you go every night. All completed, all hammer the color of your body. I have now him on the phone. Because if you have not gone there, man Jpac and gone. Man Jpac shall one completed. It's uncompleted because he can't get there. You want to go? Celebrity bia. Uno Eziokwu bona. So no me let come here. Play Chineke get you don't. Hi Chineke. Negam hanami. Eziokwu lo go hotel je na ran. If you know you are referring to me, there is no need of all this ranting. Go and make a video. Show my picture. She like this gay weapon. Kambara gi movie. Je Junior obodo ha fa. Oga kotoro gi small. Kambere gi blue movie. Hipete na madon. That's it. Madon na kale madon. Kanda hu chizi jego. That supports you to come out. More time. So anybody where you run video for, that person should tell you, say, okay, say, I know they notice you don't exist. You who maka made more young one. You who my cashiers on my car on a mono. So now wasting of time. So if it show for you, try me. See my picture. Now, Jpac. Now get in here. Like I have left Nigeria for all of you. You guys know I'm not coming. But as far as I leave, and all of you decide, don't make una come here, come carry me. Because as of me, Nigeria is a no-no for me. So I am a home bash. What if you come to Nigeria now? Come to Nigeria. Oh no, say I know they come. Make una know they ask me make I come. After all, na say una go petition me. After no lichana or onion nearly. So when I go carry on our hala come here. You want to go? So if you know it's sure for you, Jpac, carry ex-convicts. Now all of you now come here. Because I see no reason why I'm gonna rant on social media. Now so ex-convicts say I can go bala. You know go bala. I will play the video. They will come and arrest you. Now rant. I remember crying noise. They disturb our peace. Every day you could disturb our peace. Get a Jpac. Una need to stop. Let me show picture people I'm talking to. This is how to know that you're talking to so person. I know they come. All actual me lota na ma lota. For Bru Nigeria, for come here. Now here me and them go to dig aram. After all, now here talk waiting I talk. So why are they waiting for me there? You don't be here talk waiting I talk. So why waiting for me in Nigeria? na Chicago. So why must they wait until I come to Nigeria? Oh, Uncle Hagara America came 50 years of Batago. When Hagara America came 100 years of Batago, why are they expecting me? I want their generation. I am their family member. Am I their family member? Why is it that Momo came out through? Man, Shibo, okay? Okay, to come back to Nigeria. Come back. I am not coming. Generation uncle until you better below you poke me Charlotte. Una she be Yalota. Eh? Now, ex-convict, I don't take up to it. Say I won't permit you. Now do your worst. I don't tell them now. Say I won't permit you, and your permit actually. I'm not going to get permit yourself. Are they the best way to permit you? Where is the best way to I don't understand. I don't agree saying na me talk and what will happen? Amen. Gini get me escom, gini get me, what it go happen? I just remember here game many. Say I don't agree because you were a fool. I don't hear them. He's not the only person saying it. Now I am confirming it. What will you do? I am reconfirming it, telling you saying everything I thought. What will you do? Can you get me? See me trouble. HMSH got at school. HMSH got at school. You did not ask for evidence. You did not ask for anything. But I thought you was asking me evidence. Here, after when you do what Jpac said. I thought you was, and you cannot step up and ask evidence. Can you susu? Okpamene na lebu murum ni kubu kwage. Oboroko aho ahia kwago luta age by mistake cheshi iwo oboroko. Nandi anamabia. Nandi is a choice. Let them feel important as I want to hospital. Me personally say that I ain't coming. If you want to feel like I can come, feel like I can come. I said I'm coming. Is it not my decision? I have decided to stay back here. No need to fronting say you go come, you go come. I am not coming. If they like, let them feel like president of Nigeria. It's none of my business. But I can operate legal system there. Get a dog in a court for 6-7 good years. Ego gabo. I like him trouble. Yeah, go marry open. Don't give for complete 6 to 8, 10 years. Edge my like the case. Cause all lawyers appearance fee. Okay, I make 7 of it a day in Nigeria. That's no problem. My doggy. Dorieki, they spend Diego. It's my like people spend Diego on a case. Yeah, I know Katalakta. My police in the apple game. I renew. That's it. Anyana doya Nigeria can no money make it. What a nonsense. Hey, Chief okay, didn't them. About the other day, he requested to join. I don't know whether his network. You know, Facebook is fucking up now. Even I'm surprised that people can even be able to watch me. Facebook is going through a lot. People know they even gave you. Some people know go log in. Some people know, hey, first lady did it too much. When any day you decide to come to Nigeria, it's nobody's son. You know? I should come. Oh, I will be sure. I will show you. Get out. You want to go? My doggy. They spend 2 ego. It's my like in the lawyer. Every day, prosperous day. Every day. Gano rona. John de kemona hanomba dona. Na do. I na hear 6 to 7 years. And 118 ego. That's only when you cripple a man by financially. Yeah. All the worst talk he got done matter. The worst talk he got done matter. Donya financially. Oh, the worst thing. You want to go? If I don't get money, I go call myself girls. Please, will I go near I'm a lawyer today? I go like a new rea. Mwe shock me. Mega can go near I'm lawyer. Ego. Dala. My crip work financially. And you're toya small. Because all this ranting, yes, I think I'm guarantee low. I think I'm guarantee. And I rant gonna bushy picture in where he came. Where he came, me personally, I am not going because share more video when man here in a face in a Facebook on a news so share video because Even yesterday I tried to go live. The thing I hear, when I'm life, I know they see anybody, but I managed to go live from when to school. No more. The water go, and when he gave me matter when it comes to financial, get grip what people through financial uja for oko for hey uja for get me I guess no problem. Oh, when is the court day? Okay, don't worry. I like it. The lawyer got more myself to postpone the court is 2 days to come. The court is 3 days to come. They thought of a free from them. What can the work from them? Put call. Na point I be. I shall put call. Na point I be. I don't understand you. Hold on. Let me block this idiot. Oh yeah, fuck off. Chinga for. Fuck off. You want to go? Na point. See, put body. You want to go? Give put to body. Imagine the land Nigeria where my rice. I don't know. DSS is on ground for you. Security mbao. We're gonna carry DSS. DSS will kill one of you. DSS will kill one of you. We hate me and will come. DSS will kill one of you. We don't like me and will come. Nigeria ban here. Embrace it. Make it sugar on. I know the sugar me. A show hot dog man mayo. Men enjoy. Again when Gigal in Nigeria got one of my got your hand on my child like a banana on my show. That happened. Many one of my house. Got on a bemon in case in day in Biamanian won't do marry last year. No problem. Got no chagayo, but I know they go. Let's pray for Black American soldier. They are going through a lot. Nobody is going through shake them. Go and sit down. Okay, just relax for America. Any day your spirit. Thank you. You're a great queen goddess of our day. We'll get the Nemo. Imama Fuma. Onyam. Okay, any day you visit Nigeria, I will give you two lawyers. I need a lawyer. And with the rugged ones. Any the rugged ones in this day all come. You know that I'm with a team of lawyers. Nah, why not watching? Facebook camera. When the reality go say it. Get watching video. Okay, I'm not meeting. I'm about to get back. Check out CP. CP is not picking up the phone. But then you know say this word you get part 2. Chief, she be got no long. If I know chief, she manu here. But cake me. But go to my room. Come give me fan name. Give chief another go to get out. Na kasha chaga ho. You know, but chief she CP ana as a phone ya o. Nne, enwere ke ga eme no ka icho onye gị na esere okwu ka gị na magi amata na story awo la 20. Nde mbodo ka me kenwe. So na nigi were nde mbodo ka me enwe mu. Okay, so ai. Okay, Nigeria ke ga ya kpari ala go yola. Onye ola ala kpari ya shi gbai. Yo ma Adama Lord. Okay, biela. I could don't chop bush meat where the ex-conflict village finish. They on Facebook they rant. That the one message okay yo. I can be married again. Kenga pastana. Oh yeah, ina una hit ana abo. Hit ana abo. Gija Nigeria with Ghana you onyara. That's the fucked up part of. And the worst majority of them are broke. Go Nigeria, it gets worse. Nah. Come quarrel him to be here. I have been a man jacker. And when that's drunk, can't go get a drug. That's that cocaine sniff and I'm doing Igbo. That cocaine sniff, that man, that kakai. The arrest, they say the arrest can not fake. Pure fake. What? Let them come and swear with their life, saying that the arrest not true. Everything we are arranging. Nobody lie. Now they want to make Ken to start trending. There is nothing wrong with that, but they should not deceive the general public. Everything now. I made a video. All Facebook was stopping me yesterday. I could have come live. I made a video. I posted it. But in my Facebook subdue it because of everything now lie. There is nothing like arrest. Look at onye name mother or when na Kane the number or when na Kane ego or when on a group and help can arrest. Why do people keep giving people false narrative? And do not do on social media for a long. See, I can create content and make it and let you know that it's a content. But deceiving people in this surface is one thing you don't do. Be real. People to believe in what is not right. Okay, alright. No need. I am Otilo. Una Drolande Maduna with their little emotion online. People when they do the use their brain, they see everything fake. Even the arrest, you cannot handcuff anybody. No, it does not work anymore in Nigeria. You see, you put handcuff. That one is a no-no. That is the human rights violation #1. That one self should tell you, say, make una know they do this fucked up RNG. You see that handcuff, everything a planned deal. But that is not the normal way to train the Ken. You know this failure, I'm not saying you should not associate with them all, but tread with caution. Can somebody have people Nigerian police and make case with that police arrest? I am being honest with you. In a high jump where trouble will find you come. And when the people are had a big go, everybody must not be like Ogechi. Tread with caution. Oh, I am telling you. If you will remember a few months back, very dark man wore police uniform, came out on social media. Amami home and the police are Muchi Korea. Ken, you know, get loud voice, so those people are connected like so. I have to tell you the truth. Be very careful. The police are Muchi Korea, very dark man. No, you were police. Game something. And Manachineke is on another thing. He has to come and render apology if in the case is still in process. And when they will take up that prank. Show that policeman that thing made that thing. But then they will take file. Only she got no way to will take file. Draw the crime committee. By then they'll query you. The reason why I'm telling you this, don't allow these people that want tomorrow now. That's drug addict kogene mama mwanyi ochula Nigeria amamo to money we put ejigi na beme wa commercial. Oh, another thing they play, go and mark, save this video again. All these things is to create awareness. Tomorrow now we are belle face I will hire ambassador too. Be abu put no manya kunu rebu onwunu na manya. If actually kunu me we say free ad. Akwe no one show now free ad when una go dey do. You guys should stop deceiving people. Look at it. Look at the Ochicha Ungra drug in Germany. Get mega arrest again. Only gina Opota G bossless corner now by an ogria. Na koyedi. It don't show you mad arrest. Even video in one place, it did not contact the person. Let's analyze this very well. All of you, because of Ogage, because all of you are my enemy. So when they got down ourselves to make, so when I go got down ourselves, all of you guys are my enemy. I know. So all of you, here me. I'm gonna make us a moku. Ndeka ni na wujo here. Ndeka gapo. Back in Lagos because I he caparian na drug name. Back in Lagos, such a meeting. You know, get you. You got to be careful. That I'm one reconnect to Nini. Now me they reconnect on another love for myself, say on the love. Now me they can't do all of for now. Oh, here name. Onye drug contacted wear belly face. Only share joy like because of me. They did not know in a mutual ground. Oh, because they have common enemy, which is me. Now, the only thing to give themselves to hope, Ogechi, and the plan together how to bring Ogechi back to Nigeria. He will try the irony of it. Now, that's drug addict. A problem. Hey, come on! I will welcome you in Nigeria with an open hand. I will protect you. I will give you life. I will protect you. Ogechi is my. Now me, they make them they kiss us anybody. Me. How I know to onye? Maybe the woman person go. Hey, how would you about? Ogechi, Ogechi, how will get you? They know they care what's in them. So, he got now. Tomorrow now, Ken got put mewe add. Now that's useless money. Jpac, wear belly face, and the ex-convict, all of them planned it. Ex-convict planned it. That's top 0 minus O, so plan ya. Jpac so plan ya. All of them on him. Now you said, Nehuru video, na this drug addict platform. Can you question him? You reach out to him, right? She accused him, but you put a video. But what another person? Because him and God Kane with a problem. God divert everything. He draw people's attention. God divert all your subo. Can people pay attention? Get you about views. Only can put a quote. Ex-convict put a quote. Okay, top 0 put a quote. Okay, only create publicity. Ken, I will advise you as a sister, but I will not tell you what to do. What I go? Advice. I said, you must see me as your enemy because you surrounded yourself with my enemies. I don't have a problem with that, but game maintain. Ashi, onye yiri hejiri call you no. O wache machi bi achibi. Be guided. Be guided. You know these people. Jpac is not coming close. He's coming close because of something. Saga. Create your content without getting involved to displease anybody. Even with a lot of outstanding enemies. I'm trying to be honest, you. I'm trying to bring you in, cheap pilots. I'm trying to bring you in. Shigagi, maybe. Be very careful with these people. Many people are still angry with you. Stay away from anything you got against Sobu. I just have to be honest with you. Because common enemy here will get you. And then when another person will go their target, which is Akon. I'm just telling you something you should know. But they cannot go and challenge Akon. But they cannot. Cheap a lot. I don't think that your account is active. I don't know whether it's network. My brother, Marie, I'm trying to tell you the truth to Marie. Use your sense. Again. I'm not saying that because nothing lasts forever in this blue app. Or an aquari, or make a matter in another part of the world. I don't know whether you will use another account. On Hena, Shinagana Ho, Gana Boya Papa J, Nebeanka. We know all these things are planned deal. But don't allow anybody to use you. Ex-convict in a Jpac wear belly face. Where they carry and scatter his EK. Where refuse to do tests. Be careful with these individuals that want to use you against their enemy. I know what I'm telling you. These people are going no shit. I can't bush meeting in and go. Still, I can now. If you can make it triumph. Where she mana opablebe diku pumme. Mana opablebe diku pumme. Touch that area. Kabage. In fact, him here game maybe. You know be say you know. I want a maro ema. You sabi. Emma go to you know. But you gotta use your nose. I don't know why people don't follow your trend. The thing here you want. Hey, this election, I will go to court. Hey, this election, because the job I don't know what is happening in Jpac too. The whole thing is, I'm trying to add you, but I think it's network. What I do? Akuna tacha bush meat ni no nango pala. Go ria sota. Go ria sota because bush meat that no. What I do? Now, I get this scene for you to be careful. This one no na Germany. Mama bara catapult balata. Ocean every create me. Look at akwa wunde na agba mmanya nketa na mmanya na damage kidney. Akwa wunde na agba mmanya wo na mmanya na damage kidney. Aya fuck off. Shinga for. Otilo. You want to go? I'm be careful with me. Mona war. Mona on akpa. Mona careful with me. Now, Igara, Nagiti para me arrest Kiko, everything na planned, everything washipa. Ken has been communicating with that drunkard. They have been in good time. Everything are all lies. Abaraka post. He post to get this thing. We know they want to create awareness so your page will boom. There are many contents now. There are many content to create. Don't deceive people at a point. People are big choriji your mistake again. Can you open the same arrest bad problem? Somebody can intentionally petition that arrest to find out that just to make case with you for no reason. Somebody police here bury me prank. The police in a very dark man warning. Go and watch that video. Oh, you was calling on WhatsApp. Hold on. Nah, man, what is going on? Hold on. I won't call you go. We chat all the kind of a bad network there. Let me call you. I'm calling you now. Go shit at my place. I don't know. What's going on? Everything is okay now. Check my account on my phone off and turn it back on. Violent men here create a fake account and I go. So, Ken, don't allow them to make somebody who just wake up try to make a case for no reason. A man who petition just to harm you, just to treat. In fact, stay away from things that has to do with law enforcement, because they will still tell them nega langa before na Senegal. I know what I'm telling you. The reason why I'm telling you this, you can remember everything in Mbarage one day. They will still remind them that Garanga, you have become a convicting felony before. Amam how they would describe it. But any day present the case in a court. They will remind the court they galanga before. Now one African country. Lawyer be 2 weeks yeah. A man stay away from anything that has to do with law enforcement. You may not understand what I'm saying until it start happening. Until they stop connecting thoughts 1 or 2 together. Back in Nigeria with a law. You know this is free foods that gather around you. Forget about this rubbish. I service help. Be very careful. And Eziokwu. Ogechi, you will see maybe your greatest enemy or whatever. You think Ogechi has not forgiven you. But who can get today? Go and write it one place. Or when you need how make it take you one day? I got drag it to court. Somebody put on a make sure I got drag it to court. I want that in a case, they will go and get your 5 case. Na Senegal, attach here together. Back again, matter. Na Nigeria you were threat to their people. I am only trying to save you. I know how these things work. If you like, you follow. If you like, you allow this. I force spam would you have with Jpac. Go deceive you because utterly build the page. That shows I know what I'm saying. No, where they want to build. Find a way to recreate content. Nigeria. They are offering you help, but there is no problem. But they make it ban and law enforcement in Nigeria. I know why I'm telling you this. You will tell him back one day. I know what I'm saying. Be very careful. Watch your back. Play smart. Use your brain. They would like to use you against their enemies. Don't be a sacrificial lamb. Say when they can brugi henobi to date. I'm just being honest. I know they come. I'm not coming, so no need of waiting for me. I'm not mad. Hello? Hey, church, how the network? I am not coming. So asking me to come, they can go with me in a low pute. And I'm happy. So, join another thing, but all the network, the very body can network with the bad church. I don't know. I'm calling you again. Okay, now it's ringing. Hello?
Darling.
Hey, how far? Why am I? Thank you, madam.
Now this program in a run. Because it might be before I do for that thing. It was to go out to around, and you couldn't. Yeah, you didn't see that post. I called Alicia. I even did the first video. I was speculating that open name of the arrest Eziokwu. Or I set here up. And I when they post through that thing first, when they set here up. And I will that thing. I can see I had Nigeria because you never can tell who will. Then later, maybe I know there is a video. And I want to watch the video. And I knew it was a prank. And as I had to do video this morning, Nigerian police, they need to stop all these content creators abusing the uniform, abusing the office of Nigerian police, making the whole world see them as if they are that evil, they are inhuman, they treat human beings like animals. I had to speak out. Now, I've gone to check and do evaluation on the pages. Guess what? I did not see that video on Edwin's this thing. Platform anymore. All the posts he posted, he took it down. Now you see how smart Jpac is. Jpac went to copy this thing. Governor Eziokwu posted it, so he didn't take the screenshots from Governor Eziokwu's platform. He took it from Edwin. Now, Governor Eziokwu said it was a boss lady that arrested Kane. Edwin never stated.
It was all planned deal. They wrote the scripts and they acted.
And then Governor Eziokwu, to see how they deceive the public.
That is the thing.
The boss lady on the phone. So what are they educating?
It should not borrow the woman online. The woman is shaking.
Upload the woman online. I have it on screen record.
The woman is shaking.
Recording it. The woman and even
Siam, can you send me that screen record? Let me play it now. You see what I'm saying?
My sister, I'm not the shame.
All the can get it. Try and request here. Keep play your life here now.
I'm not trying to request. Now I'll see can talk about that life. My network is just messed up. That I'm so happy because I even told Alicia that that's we had Alicia this morning, and I said that later we'll talk Sabia because anytime I know our reality talk show, I may post topic and they will take that topic and run with it, and at the end of the day people will not engage. So I said to myself, if we are going to start again our reality talk show, the topics we have, we will not post it until we come out on that day to talk about it. Now, I'm a about this thing. I'm not the thing made to a Papa Alicia say, you know, I set up against so girl. Okay, for that, I see, Ken, I told you that when you come to Nigeria, he's that or Akuzayon, because they were blaming Akuzayon. Now, all window can
will set up your opportunity. This Jpac could have put on big Ario way and all window. This useless, hopeless idiots. And the Ken are being used. Ken are being used. Ken, I know what I'm telling you. Hey, I know what I'm telling you, Ken. Oh.
And if police people for that video now, all the people involved.
I know what I'm telling you. I know what I'm telling you.
Why are they misleading the public? Is Nigerian police that evil that they just go and handcuff? Who was recording that video? Because if you check the person recording it, the shadow was showing from every pillar they are recording until they enter the vehicle. Who instruct? Why are they tarnishing the image of the Nigerian police? I don't understand. From this thing, they should not say anything because Ogechi is the target.
No. Because I know it was fake. I know it was a fake.
I've not forgiven you.
For what? Why would I say that? I'm fake forgiveness. And you don't say I don't pretend.
Look at the people who are there, the 2 heads or the 3 heads who are there, who say, Abramono, they were just expressing that, but God just disgraced them.
Let them keep deceiving the public. Let them keep fooling themselves. Now then go jump into it.
I just don't understand every little thing. I know it's police. I know it dents the image of Nigerian police as if they are nothing, as if nothing. They don't amount to anything apart from harassing citizens. You understand? Now they said, okay, Eziokwu brought the lady in. The lady now
see the strips. You know how she does the streets.
I'm just coming back from work. That Ken did that, blah 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 blah. So I just noticed that the whole thing was staged.
See? I'm being noticed to the main watching video. Why are these people so cheap? They cannot even put up this drama very well.
I forgot me out before. What we are talking the woman and the amazing all prank. Then Julia gonna called. Now called there. I was saying only again over $1 million plus. Tickets. Now even that woman in London, they were calling her all sort of names, but I had to also forgive. So my sister, I know what you mean. That by going through trauma, even police came to our house to come and put some alarm.
Wisdom.
That woman in London has been saying this. I'm not this woman. All the money on UK that cannot take like.
You can easily think before you talk.
Hey. Understand? I'm not for the boss lady. Okay, how I knew that it was all fake. Number one, when they said they got it from his platform, did not put boss lady. The other one came out, put on his platform. Governor Eziokwu said a boss lady. If you're there.
Then how do they promote? They are promoting all their useless.
So my man now went to princess, rookie. You understand? Or sleep or cheat. Because I knew that there are women that can actually offend them. Then after a while, and then man is sending video Jpac, people now say, boss lady, I'm a okay, hang on. Boss lady, both of you are saying boss lady. And you say you got the video from Edwin. Edwin never said boss lady. Then because could have run a program, not boxing the boss lady or send him number I can call her. She now answered. Or now they ask she, why are you calling me? I'm gonna off this one. So I said, okay, no, don't have the
drama. Landale,
can I call you off camera? I say now that I'm already here, you could be talking. Oh my goodness. Oh my, so immediately they are not saying that there was a video. Is it really a video? Yes. I'm not going to analyze the video. That was when I saw the loud thing, the false information, and how they are portraying Nigerian police. That is why Eziokwu came. I was not analyzing that. How did they know?
I'm trying to bring you in. I don't know what is happening. Bad network. I'm trying to bring you in.
Bad network. But network the bad. You know, so when I now analyze this in this morning, maybe I'll be very lucky and I'm outside the Nigerian police on that video. I just don't want to be putting all those their pictures there and all that. They are tarnishing Nigerian police image. They need to stop. They need to stop because they want to feed themselves. Another, my brother Kane, Biko, I wish you all the best in Nigeria. My brother, trade with kill because your enemy is around you. We Yoruba people, they say cockroach for idea for lower. That's even when you bitter leaf, no need bitter leaf. The insider is bitter leaf is inside that bitter leaf. So you need to be very careful because it's obvious they want to use it to trend.
Yeah.
Like today now, our brother Edwin that has not been having view. You can see that his view goes to 10,000 views on the live video he did today. They are using you to create content. My brother, you have a star. Come and start doing your thing. People will watch. People will follow you. You don't need to abuse anybody. You don't need to take for one nonya. You've already made a name for yourself. Now trade with your name. Don't allow anybody to use your name to climb again. It's just like everybody's using all this your cake in Jakarta to climb. If they come on get you, they will get view. If they still get your cake, they want to come and watch them, they share. As long as don't get you or Onyara and London, IVF is involved, or Jpac and Jpac is involved. Only the person that Jpac is involved. They want to come and watch. You understand? So my brother came. God wants to lift you. Because the wise, don't allow them to use you to climb. They are trying to use you to climb to build their pages because right now, no more saga. Anything now, so they are view out the wago. Have you had a total get again? So that go get you for one.
I'm a boy now.
If you don't raise alarm, what get you?
Now, they want to add it part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. Part 5. But the way into the main, see, this is fake. To avoid this long thing, that was what was about to happen.
Immediately. So Edwin that was saying that somebody arrested Ken. Now a house isn't already when you make arrest. Why are they deceiving the public? Why can't they just create something meaningful that is educative? And kind of have this saga in a banana track in the matter and all this life. But no. Also, you create police at the end of the day, they don't know that they are tarnishing the image of the police.
Oh, no lie.
You understand? I'm so happy you spoke about this. And we're talking that I discussed on Sunday, we need the free. Let's start back our reality talk show, and then we'll have topics that we discuss in, and then present it to the world, and people can call in and contribute and give their opinion. Because this thing that is happening on these content creators known as Nigeria, it's high time we start talking about it, so that the world will see that sometimes they tarnish some private organizations like government parastatals, they tarnish their image, and this is the time for us to talk about it.
Thank you. Now listen, Ken, we ain't got one name. I bear you no grudges. When I said I have let him go, I have let him go. Now listen. If anybody pick up this case, that petition or that arrest from IG, from AIG, petition just to punish you, do you know that that is another wahala for you? Because they would like to know the bottom of this story. That's it. People now who's in the police in Nigeria as bad people. Do you know that? Don't get yourself, and they will say that this is the same attitude that put you in Ghana, Senegal. They will not remind you that you have been tormenting the authority, that you have been personating, even in Senegal, that all the same thing that lure you into problem. And by then, they will tell you the law that you are violating in Nigeria, which they have already known that neighbor trouble because of the same history. Kane, I want you to learn something. And when him bring it to your table, learn how to reject some certain things. Do you know how many things people have brought to my table? Then I decided to reject it. Even at this arrest, I pray and hope nobody will start questioning that arrest to try to find out those police that personated such arrests. And don't be surprised, they may rearrest you to come and bring out what come about this. Him jagwaga gi hawo atrom ki save my video makechi ash no we ezigbo oyike ga-agwa gị na ọnụ gị na-eshi ezigbo oyike. By then ha charge ya gị ihe bịara bịa convince ndị mmadụ what you did. I hope they will not further this case. But next time, and do not believe whether Nigeria will lawless country, which they cannot do anything. That you go and all these officers say which you and I know that this is fake. If you like, don't listen to my advice. If you like, you take it. I don't know what's going on with this network thing. Facebook is acting up. I don't know when a page you got kanjo. When page you got do okay. One account that cannot even reply message. One account that can reply. The whole thing is mess. When the page you got, they'll be getting views with others. The thing is so fucked up. So now, Uno the soulless lady. Ya be claim more. No yawa. You know how you guys fuck up. Now, the same person claim na arrest. Appetizer now another person arrest. Does that tell all of you now that you guys are being fooled? You guys are fooling people for no reason. Another person claimed no man arrest. Only man arrest. A claim on I don't understand. Which kind of views go no chori inwe? This idiot or this drunkard. This drunkard did I told me because that man is useless. Because of rubbish trend that will fade away in 2 minutes fame. Only I have anything to offer. I bury Jiggy to trend. It's up to you. If you want to learn, you learn. But I should go on again. He just shin and that try to another anger because of the idiot. And that organ I got you can't take a plan in here. By then, everybody are banned and so. One person I know like this is go for the problem. Yeah, God. How about China Mugi? Hello, man of God. In on a speaker.
Yeah,
in on a speaker.
the wonderful land of Angola.
Okay, man, does your phone Gabam Koshe Meme?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
I want to go decide.
Yeah, everything is okay.
That is wonderful. Yeah, program I in alone. Although I wanted to learn the program, does it now? I won't in alone, and that is wonderful.
Okay.
Yeah, doing Igbo sometimes. If you look at that man, you have frustrated kids. All is very, very frustrated. I was in that video, I've been very disappointed. Even Jpac, I don't know, let's say now, no, on social media, I want to a hard law. No, more of Brenda. I don't think in the hand of me, handle it. Like from the beginning, nature don't get use or already doing a hard law. We understand the game they are playing, which is somehow good, somehow bad, because what was the game even can I list again and based on how fast it through. The rest of now was impressive. So they do in Igbo. They will have okay. They will age we rule. A model was a certain thing and is okay. That is romance something. As old as you are, a use good TV as motto, like everyone a deal with Christmas. In honor as only is very guilty of what he did. And of the home ones that can never be clear. Jpac is a content creator who uses content, you allow yourself to use for this kind of nonsense. It's so shameful. And if yesterday, only is even paid the way they do something like that. It doesn't make sense. They do not know the case for what reason, what offense? They did not even second for 20 years, not having no money. They create a lot of community in the land. Now, you know, this new one, you're not going to get at least. They use in fact, a lot of things is going on in our life.
Let nobody petition this thing. Let nobody come up and petition. I actually hold the bottom of this. But then I'm just being honest with you now. Let nobody do this thing now. Petition up for this. Gang okwa dagaria. Only show me. Jpac is only after views. I am only praying. Nobody would. Somebody just to petition not to find. Look at the video. Also, let the winner delete here. Also, why are you deleting it? Why are you deleting it? That one alone gets Iggy dance for planning this kind of a dangerous moves. I pray nobody will just get up and say, I will take up this case and sit to the bottom of it. And when they just got some problem. And when they just go ahead.
My brother. Anyway, some certain things now as their elder. Don't allow Jpac to put you on some certain dating act on another family. Only one I want to Jpac will content creator. Only goes on controversial issues. But you will personality. Anyway, some certain things you don't need to allow them to involve your name. Waja is involved. How can I able to get my police station and this is nonsense. Waja, avoid Jpac from certain act.
Waja is too old for all. I don't know why that man, as respected as I don't understand. No, wow. I hope this thing I get link to a puna chohoya. I hope it will not get to level una choya.
So why was my brother to avoid all this kind of nonsense? Doesn't make sense.
Here we have very dark man. Here very dark man age detained here for 2 or 3 days. The same similar case. The same similar case, oh. Kenny. Church, what is going on? Go to church. Because I am seeing that something is wrong somewhere. Go to church. My brother, because I'm being the truth.
Even from the beginning of the avoid Jpac. I told him that from the beginning of the forget change was the looking at my day. Now you make car, wear flight, forget it.
Because you know put police in Nigeria one job. You know put him arrest when they claim on him arrest. You know put one job. I have to be honest, in the name of content, creating view, creating awareness. And all Jpac plan this rubbish. All Jpac contact all this. All these things are rubbish. Ex-convict, look at they couldn't get. HM get to school. HM get to school. Mbaga bia dig get this thing na. All of una they involved would then come out. Do you thought I about for she Jpac Chogeboga on the church? Ebo Kilemona Bello, ye police station on Gabello. All of you guys are involved that claim to be a participant in this case. Case Adagaria. I know what I'm saying.
No, they don't know what they're doing.
Okay.
I think this will be police station now. They can show you. So now when I get Alex, so now when I get there. So just like if you social media, I'm going to just like we're going to put the way. So just like I get very useless setup. How you know of content? People need to be careful of everything.
And they contradicted themselves to an extent. It's obvious to notice that all washing.
Of course, I'm very clear.
I didn't even watch the ex-convict video. But as soon as I saw that video, I put one or together. Even if you want to create awareness for Ken to start gay and Diego, because you know this agro, a platform only can a platform only can a platform he can a lot of people carry it. Yeah, war talk of the day. By then, after then, and you create a second and yeah, one another part 2, part 3. But the way some people begin to question this act, but I hope Oga here. I'm just telling you. Somebody or a police, very dark man. Somebody or a police. Look at how you guys are cajoling police people. I know what I'm saying. When you can, you will not take me as he get a video I made today. All right, man of God. He get a video I made today. Go and mark it, go and write it. And the Jpac koga follow nishi. Oge match you need to court. Kono ga matter the crime no committee. I pray it ends here. I pray no one will call one police officer not in charge. Please investigate this arrest. Ejia buteruno John na Facebook. Imana those enforcement Hana told you about social media. You know they try to avoid it, and anyone how get you prove as an example they will do it. And only as original police uniform. Only national police here konoga mado bear. I pray it will stop here. Ken, what is wrong? Go. Something is definitely wrong. Hello, in on a speaker. In on a speaker. Go ahead.
I got to go to other programs. Some of them they create content. Some of them, if I have more sense. When they create their content, they create their content to look good. But yesterday, Blues opposed to Nayan came. Now I'm going to get arrest. Then before I know the way, you're quite well, but that was reading one. Polandoka, Kotosumandoka. I'm only a Gentila. Then Kotosandoka. And what was here today? You broke was here, but that was here again. No one's going to win, no one's going to win. Need to go away your mind. They're going to win the Kihuna Yakana. Nana, Nakan American. Okay, Edwin, go over American arrest. Get a platform, Gidena, no anymore, American arrest. Manago arrest. When all the go now, even somebody arrest, then you better platform, Ganasana, na emekwara mmadụ arị gụwa bụ onye bụ ụzọ wee kwuo na emekwara mmadụ arị ndị ọkwa gụwa mere ya ndị na o nwere ihe m chọrọ iji gị na nne Edwin agbara ụgbọ nwe mkpi gbarazi ya Naijiria tọọ gị because the guy since last year called Nigeria ọ nọ here from oke okpuru ala jide ndị ụka tawa ndị ụka talie na village na-enwe ntọntụ ụlọ nwa ọ na-eje na ya na ụlọ nna ya nọ ebe ahụ ụzi best osikwa dị ya adịzigo surprise ọbụkwazie ọpụtakwa dị ọda dị na ọ ka nwuyo ọkwa ime na mọnki na-anọ n'ime moto na-achọ ebe ọ ya ahọrọ banana ọ na-aka ọ nọ n'ime moto ezugo bọsị ya na-eme anya cha nkụ ọ na-achọ banana ọ ya ahọrọ nyarakwazie ya ndị Zion na-akpọkwazie ifajere ka ebuka na ọda dị ya
onye ara madman
iwachi Edwin n'ime moto Jpac ọnụ Ken mere arrest ka ya mma ya nwere onwe dịka onye ọya dịka onye mere arrest
thank you
ya nwere onwe nọ n'ime moto ịnọ n'ime moto gụnwa onye mere mmadụ arrest abịa ayọ gị biko eweje belu onye a ịnọzie ka onye ụjọ ji n'azụ moto ọ dịzie ka ọgụnwa ka e mere arrest
ana m agbala ha ọ ga-esi esi
so Jpac chọziri nnọọ ịkpọkọrọzi ihe ndị arrest everybody who's nnọọ content creator ọnụ onye ọnụ dị na social media ozi content creator
ọ ga-esu esu
onye amaala pụta light ya ụnụ cha niile ozi content gwa ma Edwin esi okwu na ndị content creator ndị mma watch na-ara ihe mma ya
ndị mba ndị enemy Ogechi
ogbogo taa echi ọkọrọbọ negorịta ezugo bịa na moto were eme program negoro ihe ọ na-akọ nwaja ana m ekwu onye nke a na onye ahụ ka ọfịs ụwa o bụrụ onwe na-eme involve na ụmụ nọnsensị a na-eme Jpac bụgosi ndị oke ịpụtara eside ụmụ ya apụta asị na onwe patikala pesi nwụ ndị ụka ịpụtara eside ebe ndị mmadụ juru na soshal midia na ndị ụka dị nke a na ndị ụka dị nke ebe ndị ụka mere Jpac ụnụ nwere ife a niile ife ụnụ plan na plan jee pụta sụma nọ ndị ụka pụtazie nọ ndị ụka from bus ready pụtazie today na Edwin na mama na ọnụ Zion ka ọ na-ala na eme mmadụ arrest onye rikpe ndị wee fụ ego o ji eme mmadụ arrest chọchị onye oyi eme arrest ọ bụrụ manesman ya Ken mgbe e mere Ken arrest Abuja ọgbafuo kịta ka ọ na-emezi Ken arrest ezugo na-adị na-agwa ihe a kịta na ihe ndị a na-ekreti n'ala Igbo dị very very bad
very useless human being. Police enyere ha warning. Onye na ha warning, they should stop getting them involved in this. Mama onye ha je nye 1 naira.
It's one ndị na-create this content ya. Often one the richest content creators na Nigeria. No. Ndị ahụ bụ ego aja agba fuel. So gọvanọ Eziokwu eluso na election with why? Ịga na oso okwu na ndị content creator. onye na nwaanyị tọrọ ọpụta na Facebook ọ na-akpa akụza ya na-eme live video every day na village gị na-ata anụ bushmeat niile nọ n'ime ọhịa bụ ịnọ isi Abuja igweje Lagos na-agwọbiri onye nọ na video onye na bụnụ na onye na bụnụ na-eme live video na-eme ya ịpụta na social media ya na-aba mba
very
onye ọna uchi content creator onye ọna na Kenu na onwe kwesịrị iji blade gị oge ka asụgoro na iji ọsọ pụta from nga n'isi akpọkọba ego ọnụ ewetara gị ụdị idea ịma na last one imere ka iji wee jee nga na Senegal ịpụtakwa again bịapụrụkwa plank Nigeria bịapụrụkwa plank bịapụrụkwa ụdị nonsense plank again kwa
Mama, why can't you allow this people to use him to use
Nigeria had a law because even in Senegal, even in Senegal, I go see in a lot now do no go for it, not 8 months. If I Nigeria, the first content you create in Nigeria, I wish you police there, blue Nigeria.
And my brother, because of this point in American, can I get take a case or parrot? Other country take action. So you think we will not take action? Go and mark my words.
They
might get my words.
And I was on the way, channel.
And in the Nigerian is handcuff. That one is a no.
While you don't know that even no matter what you are in with that. There was on natural go Facebook. I go to Facebook. Why do I English board and all? I go to Facebook. Yeah,
Mama. Me, I got backfire. What about backfire?
Let's do it. Can't do it now. They
want to create his base.
It's not on mine. Budget has done. Budget has done because. Budget has done. Only the ambassador. Only the ambassador to win.
Judas.
Judas need the ambassador to win. Hey, so I'm Katarama. Well, okay. Nah, you can't go and divide your bazar. Now, oh, you wouldn't want you to win on look. Oh, yeah, then so good. I got a car. So, yeah, I didn't have a own daughter. You market to your mind.
Oh, yeah, no, don't. Yeah, no.
I don't want to Jpac the good in all those states. Oh, about ego is weapon, don't you? About ego is weapon, don't you? Hey! Of course, Christmas and already too much now because it worry I got it too much. Go to my shop now. Go to my shop now, but now all this way.
Go to my shop now, but.
Congratulations, Governor and the other state here, shop now by
Onyoshi.
Because when the young one to go to China,
Onyoshi. And a shop now. What did you go with the Zoro?
When the young one machine, young will go to China, not to go.
On the way on Abia.
Because Governor Eziokwu how long here now on a million will have a top of moto one go about
Exactly.
My Jpac go to the other machine, so let's I go school. I'm
bye bye, one okay. So, as they see, they play. Make on trade with caution. My anger with Jpac and the ex-convicts, or what they can go the confused. But you have to be careful. My problem with those two he-goats, and the kind of Itebre Germany, they are my anger. And what I go? Happen on my like cucumber in peace. You did what I can handle her very well. She will mismanage it. They know what I'm talking about. She will mismanage it. Oma handle you off, Oma. Don't go there. Don't go there. Just from here. Don't go there. Please. Please. I know why. Don't go there, please. Just stay here. I know my reasons. Stop dropping like that. I just want you to stay somewhere here, please. Don't drop. Oh, why you drop? That place is not for you for now. Why? Ejemane, just I don't understand this thing. I drop Uzla. No one can do manage. Just remain where you are. I like you. For some reason, I like you. No why. They won't please. I'm trying to add you. I'm not on my network or the just none of them, please. No more rubber. I'm gonna make on the Facebook today. Something is not right. I'm gonna my local saga. See you guys in my local saga. Bye for now.